Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and today I'm going to show you how to make a stand for your heat gun. In other videos you have seen us use this handheld heat gun. I also use this stand for a heat gun. That's very easy because you have both hands that you can use. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a stand yourself. So to make this stand I went to the thrift shop and bought a desk lamp, and I removed the lamp part and all the wires, so we only have this. What you need is of course the desk lamp, this corner piece, I don't know what it's called in English, some tie wraps and duct tape, and of course the heat gun you want to use. First thing, you're gonna take this stand, put it in a 90-degree angle and use this corner piece to keep it in that angle. Now the solution I'm going to show you is really easy. I'm sure you can use other methods, but here you only need duct tape. So we're going to use this duct tape to attach this corner piece in that corner. So that's part one. Make sure it's wrapped very tightly. And now you can do the other part. So this will stay in a 90-degree angle. Next we're going to attach this heat gun to the stand using those tie wraps. So I've used 4 tie wraps. I can cut these excess pieces away, but actually it's finished. And now I can use this stand, I can use both hands. It's much easier to work with the foam. So that was it. I hope this helps you to work with foam and makes it easier for you. Be sure to check our other videos as well, and thanks for watching.